We're here for a leak in the right front, in between the window and the outside corner here, and for a new roof estimate. Right next to where I set my ladder up, there's a area here where squirrels have chewed and got in the attic. Someone had tried to repair it before. There's going to be a couple sheets of plywood. I'm sorry. Yeah, probably a couple sheets of plywood. Looks like it's right on the seam here. Sure is. And you're going to need to repair the end of the rafter here. They even chewed that away. And the fascia, which you can see right here, the fascia's gone. Okay, this is the front half of the main roof, the second story portion. A lot of granule loss. Up on the left end, near the peak, there's a broken shingle tab here. And we have a couple pipe collars that were replaced at one time. They were installed incorrectly. The top flange of the pipe collars should be under the shingle. Same thing with the one down below. Both of them were installed the same way. I've got nail pops and, like I said, some granule loss. I'm working my way over here to the right side where the leak is. There are quite a few broken shingle tabs. A good ways up. And up at the peak. Of course, there are holes in the shingles here. You can see one right here too. One thing I see that's more than likely the culprit causing the leak is the original roof was stapled. This staple's too low, so water can definitely get in there. And by the way, the shingle tabs, some are sealed. This one here wasn't sealed, has lost its seal. Same with this one. That's why these shingles are blowing off here at the rake board. Then we have somebody had repaired up here on the right also. The top of you can see in between the wood rake board and the trim wrap. Here you go. Anyhow, there's the rake board right there, the wood. You see the trim wrap. There's a void right here. Water's definitely getting in there. Somebody tried to repair something here at one time. I think with all the problems over here on this right front, I'm just going to recommend reshingling 3 foot by the entire length of the rake board, just for a repair. This is a lower roof above the front entrance, and then this is the front half of the garage roof. Of course, there's granule loss Another low staple right here, which is probably leaking. We've got a hole right here through the shingle, exposing the plywood underneath of it. Both these dishes need to be removed and reinstalled. They're currently used. We've got some screws here in the shingle. And unfortunately, quite a bit of vegetation growing on the rear half of the lower roof.